How to sign up on Federal Bank Online Banking. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up any web browser you want and search for federalbank.co.in and press enter. On this web page, click on Login and click on Net Banking. From here, select your account type. I'm going to select Personal Banking, then click on Continue to log in. Now from this web page, you can log into your account if you already have an account. Enter your user ID, password and your mobile number. Then enter the verification code and click in the login option. However, if you want to create a new account, you want to click on the sign up button, which is at the top. Now on this page, the first step is to enter your 14-digit account number. Once you have entered the account number, next step is to enter the verification code. Now click on the continue button, and from there you will have to enter some of your details and follow the on-screen process. Then your Federal Bank online account will be created, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.